Hey everyone, this is Lisa. Kind of a weird time to be making a video. If you're watching this around the time it comes out, or if you're watching it later, this is the beginning of April 2020. So as you are probably well aware of, coronavirus has literally taken the world by storm. So hopefully you're safe. Hopefully you're keeping your loved ones safe, staying at home, sheltering in place. Thank you so much for those of you who are essential employees who are working hard to keep everything going. It's kind of, you know, I feel kind of weird even filming a video, but some of you who watch these videos are Facebook friends with me, you know me. And something that I've been working on are clips for medical masks. So let me grab them because I forgot to grab them. But a lot of our medical professionals, our first responders, are wearing masks all day to protect themselves and the people they're around from coronavirus. So a lot of us in the crafting community have been creating clips for their masks. I did not create this. I am not the genius behind this. I am just someone who wants to help. So I have two sizes. This one is about 2 inches. This one's about 3.5 inches. So both of these files I did get from a Facebook group. I did not create them. I am not taking credit for them. I think these files are amazing, and so I have been cutting these with clear acrylic. So I put out something on my Facebook saying, hey, I'm making these. I want to give these to whoever needs them. I've had a great response. I've sent out a few hundred. If you need clips, if you know someone who needs clips, please let me know. I will send them out to you. This is something I want to do to give back. And really, for those of you who know me or don't know me, something that's really personal to me is that my dad is actually in a nursing home. And he thankfully is very mentally aware, but he just has physical limitations. He's a Vietnam vet, so if you understand that, you'll know what it is. But Florida, along with many other states, have closed down nursing homes. You can't visit. So I don't know when the next time I will hug my dad. And honestly, that's okay. And that's not the point of this video, but the point is that there are people there every day, all day, who are there to protect our most vulnerable population. A lot of these people, like my dad, do have lung issues. So if they were to get coronavirus, it would be fatal. So as we know, a lot of these medical professionals are just getting blisters on their ears. These masks are really hurting them. So what I have been doing is I want to help out, but I wanted to do something really special for the people that are personally taking care of someone that I love. So I'm actually going to be making clips with these really lovely patterned acrylics. So I have these really cute patterned acrylics. These are from Craft Chameleon. If you follow me for a while, you know that I love Craft Chameleon. Jamie and her team are amazing. So I have a bunch of different patterns that I'm going to go through and cut some. As you can see, I have like this little wavy pattern. This one's cute. It's a bunch of dogs. And if you guys know me, you know I love dogs. So, oops, nothing broke. I dropped it. We have this wood paneling, which I think will look really nice. I have this really lovely peacock. I have a lot, guys. I'm not gonna do all of these. I'm just showing you what I have because I'm so excited. This is this really love herringbone pattern. I think you can see it. Yeah, this herringbone pattern. This little checker buffalo plaid. Then I have this. Is this turquoise? Is this turquoise? I don't exactly know what turquoise is, but I think that this is it. Like, that's a stone. This cute little cheetah. I like this little cheetah print or leopard print. I don't know the difference. And then these last two are so lovely. I really enjoy them. These are a lace pattern. So this is a rainbow lace. And then this one is like a watercolor looky lace. So if you guys know me, you know I love my blues, purples, my cool tones. So I'm gonna go over and set these up. Now I'm gonna be cutting this with my Glowforge. If you are still in the market for getting a Glowforge, check out my description below. There's a link that you can use to save up to $500 on your machine. And this is something that I'm just using to put back into my videos to help good content for you. So I'm gonna go ahead, pick out some sheets, and I'm gonna use my file, and I'm gonna show you how I set it up in my software, and then we will cut some clips. Okay guys, so I am in Glowforge Studio. Now you may notice that it looks totally different. Again, this is August 2nd, so one cool thing is Glowforge just updated their software. Like, they're coming out with a pro version and they've done a trial for everyone. So that's what it looks like right here. Now you'll see that I have my little herringbone pattern in my software already. And if you look closely, here's my design. You can see it's right there. Now I just went ahead and uploaded this. You can see that over here we will have our different functions. So if you're still new to Glowforge, I did do a video not too long ago where I did a cut and engrave, which I think that it'll work really well, but I'm just doing a simple cut. So the first thing I need to do is I need to set my material. You can see right here in the top left corner it says unknown. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to type in, well, I'm just going to do a thick black acrylic. Now this is a proof grade setting, so it's not, you know, totally set, but that way it kind of will give me something that I can work with. So I'm going to set up my clip right in the corner. Now you can see here's the pattern here. So what you could also do is you could turn it to get more of the pattern in there. Really doesn't matter. So I'm actually going to turn it a little bit more because I do like that pattern. So I'm going to set this right here. Now if you're working with material that you're just trying to get out as many as possible, then of course don't worry about turning it a certain way. I have a shipment of clear acrylic coming in, so these are just special things that I'm making. So I'm just going to do one for now because I want to see how it goes. We're going to select our design and we're just going to do one pass. So right here it says number of passes. So if you go back, this is proof grade cut for a thick black acrylic. You can adjust it. Now again, these settings are guaranteed for their proof grade material. Now if you're not using proof grade material, it may vary. Now a lot of you will mask your design. I'm actually not going to mask this one time because I wanted to see the pattern on here. If you do want to mask, that's totally fine. That's up to you. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to set this up and we're going to go ahead and hit print. So this is going to process and then I'll show you on my machine. All right, so we can see right here, that is our countdown. So we're all set to go. I'm going to go ahead, go to my machine and press print. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention before, I have an inline fan installed on my machine, so that pulls the air out a little bit more, so that might be that hum you hear. Now, one thing that I was warned about, and I forgot until just now, is that the printed acrylic when you cut can be kind of stinky. In general, acrylic is stinky, but the printed really lets you remember it. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this out, and you can see our cut is right here, and my acrylic has a little bit of a mask on it, so I have to be very careful to get this out. But check this out. Here is my little printed clip. Let me see if I can make it a little bit easier for you to see. So yeah, we have this little herringbone pattern on there. Okay guys, so here are some of my clips. So you can see here's my little herringbone pattern, and then I cut a bunch of these cheetah or leopard. Again, don't know the difference, and it's because a lot of the aides at my dad's nursing home really enjoy this pattern, so I cut those. So I went ahead and I used a file from the Glowforge user group. Again, guys, I'm not taking the credit for this. It was a really useful file because these can actually be adjusted. And I use the pattern acrylic from Craft Chameleon. So again, you can use whatever acrylic you have for this project if you would like to make some of it. I thought the patterns would just be a nice special touch. So if you want a pattern sheet. I'll leave a link down below where you can get it from Craft Chameleon. But really, guys, I just hope you guys stay safe. Look out for each other. Check on your neighbors, check on your family. And if you are in the medical field, if you're a first responder, if you are our essential workforce, thank you. Thank you so much for taking care of us, helping everything continue to run, and hopefully everyone is being nice to you. Be nice to your essential workers. If you want to get a Glowforge, check out the link in the description below, how you can save 500. And if you are not already following me on social media, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, find me on Instagram, on Facebook, sign up for my email newsletter, all of that fun stuff. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a good night.